In the first episode, we learned positive sentences in the simple present tense and also practiced them. Now we want to go deeper into this tense and make our English foundation stronger. You should read English books and learn new words. But do not stop practicing, listening, reading, and speaking. This is the only final solution for those who have been trying to learn English for many years. Now, I cannot say much more beyond this, but one thing I can do with you is practice. I also want to improve my English, and you want to improve yours too. So let's begin. I learn something new every day. I save money every month. I call my friend every evening. I clean my room every Sunday. I wear clean clothes every day. I listen to music while studying. I visit my grandparents every month. I follow my daily routine carefully. I carry an umbrella on rainy days. I respect my teachers always. I finish my homework before dinner. I remember my passwords carefully. I charge my phone every night. I cook food on Sundays. I smile at everyone I meet. I try my best every day. I laugh with my friends every day. I plan my day every morning. I spend time with my family daily. I trust my parents always. We share everything with each other. We play indoor games on rainy days. We cook together on weekends. We help our neighbors when needed. We follow the rules of our house. We walk together in the evening. We watch movies every Friday night. We learn from our mistakes. We support each other always. We plant trees every year. We sing songs during festivals. We save water every day. We visit the temple every week. We read newspapers every morning. We prepare for exams together. You finish your work on time. You listen to your parents always. You clean your desk every day. You remember important dates easily. You smile when you meet people. You save money for the future. You learn new things every day. You respect everyone around you. You speak politely with elders. You carry your own water bottle. You follow your timetable every day. You help your friends when needed. You try hard in every exam. You play outdoor games every evening. You cook well on weekends. They work hard every single day. They share food with their neighbors. They play football every evening. They learn English together every day. They save money for their future. They follow traffic rules carefully. They plant trees every monsoon. They cook traditional food on festivals. They laugh and enjoy every evening. They respect their teachers always. They prepare their notes every night. They walk 5 kilometers every morning. They speak politely with everyone. They celebrate every small success. They support their parents every day. He learns something new every day. He saves money every month. He calls his friend every evening. He cleans his room every Sunday. he wears clean clothes every day. He listens to music while studying. He visits his grandparents every month. He follows his daily routine carefully. He respects his teachers always. He finishes his homework before dinner. He charges his phone every night. He cooks food on Sundays. He smiles at everyone he meets. He tries his best every day. He plans his day every morning. He spends time with his family daily. He trusts his parents always. He speaks politely with everyone. He walks 5 kilometers every morning. He celebrates every small success. She learns something new every day. She saves money every month. She calls her friend every evening. She cleans her room every Sunday. She wears clean clothes every day. She listens to music while studying. She visits her grandparents every month. She follows her daily routine carefully. She respects her teachers always. She finishes her homework before dinner. She charges her phone every night. She cooks delicious food on Sundays. She smiles at everyone she meets. She tries her best every day. She plans her day every morning. She spends time with her family daily. She trusts her parents always. She speaks politely with everyone. She walks 5 kilometers every morning. She celebrates every small success. It works properly every day. Telling about machine. It charges in 2 hours. Telling about phone. It opens at 9 every morning. Telling about shop. It closes at 10 every night. Telling about gate. It moves slowly on the road. Telling about truck. It falls every year in June. Telling about rain. It grows very fast in summer. Telling about plant. It flies high in the sky. Telling about eagle. It swims in the pond every day. Telling about fish. It burns brightly every night. Telling about lamp. It produces milk every morning. Telling about cow. It carries heavy loads every day. Telling about horse. It crows every morning at sunrise. Telling about rooster. It melts in the summer heat. Telling about ice. It spreads fragrance every morning. Telling about flower.